Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Goodbudget account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Goodbudget account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Goodbudget application. The home page of Goodbudget application will appear on the screen. Click on Create New Household option. Enter your groceries, gas and annual saving data, then tap on Next. On the next page, enter your email address, create a password for your Goodbudget account and confirm your password by re-entering it. In case if you want to get updates about the application, tick mark on the box that says Get Feature Updates. Tick mark on the box that says I agree to the terms and conditions of Goodbudget's account and tap on Finish. This is how you can sign up for your Goodbudget account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.